Good morning, students. Let's move on to the defects of vision. Some people have difficulty in seeing things. The abnormalities in the normal vision of the eye are called as defects of vision. The most common defects of vision are myopia, short-sightedness, or hypermetropia, long-sightedness. Let's see what is myopia or short-sightedness. A person suffering from myopia or short-sightedness can see the nearby objects clearly but cannot see the far off objects clearly. Okay? They can see पास वाले चीज़ों को बहुत अच्छे से देख सकते हैं बट दूर वालों को नहीं देख सकते. So that is why it is called as short-sightedness. And then what are the causes of myopia? The causes are the decrease of focal length of the eye lens, यानी जब eye lens का focal length कम हो जाता है, या तो increase in the length of the eyeball, या तो eyeball का जब length बढ़ जाता है. ये देखो, this is the normal and then this is the, it has become bigger in size. Now how can we correct this? This can be corrected by making the eye lens less convergent. Less convergent means, see here what happens in short-sightedness or myopia is that usually when our eyesight is proper, the image comes and falls here on the retina. Okay, but here as you can see that the image is formed बिफोर द रेटिना के पहले ही इमेज फॉर्म हो जा रहा है. सो इसीलिए इट इज़ मायोपिक आइज. एंड हाउ कैन यू करेक्ट दिस? दिस कैन बी करेक्टेड here by using a concave lens, divergent lens. Okay, so it can be, myopia can be corrected by using a concave lens of suitable focal length. Now when you use a concave lens, यानी अपने चश्मे में, specs में, when you use a concave lens, see it is becoming, what is it doing? पहले थोड़ा सा diverge हुआ and then it goes and hits the eye lens और वहाँ से जाके converge हुआ. Converge मतलब to meet at one point. So now you can see that it is going and the image is formed on the retina. So when you put specs of concave lens, your myopia will be treated. Not treated means you can see properly. Okay, the next condition is hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Now a person suffering from hypermetropia can see the distant objects clearly, but they cannot see the nearby objects clearly. So these people, they have got difficulty in reading. Now what are the causes of hypermetropia? Hypermetropia is caused if there is increase of focal length of the eye lens or decrease in the length of the eyeball. Here as you can see, the eyeballs, there is a decrease in its length. Now how can we correct it? It can be corrected by using a convex lens. Okay, convex lens, what does the convex lens do? It is a converging lens. Okay, so what will it do? The converging lens will converge means अंदर की ओर जाना. Okay, to meet at one point. See, it is converging at one point and then it will go and the image will be formed on the retina. Here you can see in hypermetropia, where is the image forming? This is hypermetropia. The image is forming behind the retina. Okay, so that is why they cannot see they are long-sighted. It is called as long-sightedness. That means they can see the distant objects clearly but not the close by objects. So hypermetropia can be treated or corrected by using convex lens. Convex lens are convergent lens. Now there is the role of nutrition in regard to blindness. You all have studied in your previous classes, children, that vitamin A is due to the deficiency of vitamin A in our diet, it can lead to poor vision or night blindness. So we should take vitamin A rich food. And which are the food which contains vitamin A? Milk, cheese, tomatoes, carrots, cabbage, all these contain vitamin A. And the deficiency of vitamin A leads to night blindness. A person suffering from night blindness can see during the day but cannot see at night or in dim light. So if you have to take care of the eyes, you should always protect our eyes. What should you do? We should be always careful while playing. At least wash your eyes with cold water 3 or 4 times in a day. And if you are watching television or reading, blink your eyes from time to time. And you should never read in a moving bus or train or in a dim light or in very bright light. Usually people have got a habit of reading books, magazines, novels when they are traveling by bus or train. But that is not at all good for our eyes. Now we come to visually challenged person. The visually challenged or the blind people, as you all know, cannot see. Now there are two types of blindness. One is curable and the another one is incurable. In curable blindness, either the cornea or the eye lens becomes opaque. Okay? The opaque cornea can be replaced surgically by a healthy donated cornea, or the opaque eye lens is surgically replaced by an artificial lens. So this is curable blindness. Now, in case of permanent blindness, the image formed on the retina cannot be transmitted to the brain. That means the brain is not able to receive the message about seeing the light. So, you all must have seen children, blind people walking around with the help of a stick. Such people, they develop sensitivity towards sound, touch, and thus visually challenged people use other senses to see the world around. Okay, for example, they can recognize some of the letters by touching. It was Louis Braille who developed this method so that blind people could read using the sense of touch. This method, called Braille, involves the use of special symbols representing the alphabets and their combinations. In this method, what happens is the text is printed on a thick sheet of paper. See, here you can see it is printed on a thick sheet of paper and there are special symbols. These symbols, they consist of up to 6 dots, maximum 6 dots, 2 dots horizontally, okay, and 3 dots vertically in a rectangular way. The dots are embossed rays dots. What do you mean by embossed? Embossed means that is they are slightly above the surface of the paper. That means थोड़ा सा ऊपर की ओर उठा होता है. Embossed means थोड़ा उठा होना. Raised slightly above the paper. So this rectangular arrangement of raised dots is called as a Braille cell. So a visually challenged person can recognize each letter by the position of the dots in each cell. So it is in this way that a person can read the text which is printed on this Braille. So with this we have finished with the chapter, children. Please read the chapter properly, and if you have any doubt you can contact me personally. Thank you and have a wonderful day.